Hey there everyone, it's Ravindra Devrani back with another video. We are continuing the C# tutorial series, and in this video we are going to learn about abstract classes. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit that like button. So let's get started. First of all, what is abstract class? Abstract class is an incomplete class. It means you cannot create an instance of it. So it can be used as base class only. It means you can only inherit it, then you can use it. To use this class, first you have to inherit it, and these are the properties of abstract classes. First one, it cannot be instantiated. Second, it can contain both abstract and non-abstract method. So abstract method does not contain any body, and non-abstract method contains the body. So abstract method will be overridden in the derived classes. So let's move here and let's define our abstract class. Public abstract class, let's give a name is shape. Let's see it is allowed or not, because we have already defined a shape here. So let's change it to shape 1. Okay, and let's define here public void draw, and int let's see int x. Okay, so we can define here members and public void draw public abstract draw. Sorry, so it is an abstract method, so we cannot create a body of it. The modifier is not valid for this item. Public abstract void draw, that's it. And let's define here public void print console dot write line printing. So it is our non-abstract method or regular method. And let's define here another method, and let's give a random name draw2. That's it. So we cannot create an instance of it. Let's try to create an instance. Shape 1 sh equals to new shape 1. Cannot create an instance of the abstract type or interface, so we cannot create its instance. To use its functionality, we have to inherit it. That's it. Now it will say does not implement shape1.draw and shape1.draw2. It means you have to define these two abstract methods, otherwise it will give an error. So we have to implement these method. For that we have to write here public override void draw console dot write line draw 1 and it is draw 2. Okay, so let's write here part 20 obj equals to new part 20 obj dot, first of all we will call that non-abstract method, so it was print, it is our non-abstract method. Now we will call draw and draw2. Draw and draw2. So let's run it. So here it is the output of this program. So abstract class is useful when you need some kind of blueprint for your user classes and you also want some functionality that is shared among all the objects. So in this case we have this print functionality that will be shared among all the user classes, and right now it is not making a sense, so I am going to create another class here that will make a sense. Public abstract class employee, okay, and let's name it employee1 because we already have created employee, and it will have public void get minimum salary public double get minimum salary into salary, and it will return a salary from here, and we will have public abstract void or double calculate bonus So let's see what we are going to do now. And here we have this employee class, and now we have two user classes. First one is permanent employee, another one is temporary employee. Now these classes will inherit this employee abstract class, and this get minimum salary method will be shared by both classes, but calculate bonus method will be overridden by both classes because they will implement their own functionality. This permanent employee will get 10% bonus while temporary employee gets 5% bonus. In that case, both of these classes need their own calculate bonus. So here, that's why we need a abstract method calculate bonus, because both permanent employee and temporary employee will calculate their own bonus. It have 10% bonus and it have 5% bonus, so that will make more sense. Why do we use abstract class, and in which scenario we have to use abstract class? So that's it for now. We will catch up in next video.